Okay, ladies, are you struggling with thin hair, thin edges, or hair loss? Well, this Illusion hairline was made and designed specifically for you. Yes, this hairstyle is safe for thin hair. The Illusion hairline not only hides thinning edges, but it also protects your fragile hair and it looks unbelievably natural. Yes, if you've been searching for a real solution, this is the one for you. Sometimes we as stylists, we are kind of programmed to do all our braid patterns the same, and we braid those braids going to the back, and that is going to be pulling and stressing the edges out even more without causing any continued hair damage. One of the biggest beauty struggles out here today is getting a gorgeous hairstyle without sacrificing our hair health. Yes, we want to look beautiful and feel amazing, but the last thing we want to do is damage our hair in the process. As you can see here, I have my custom made closure. Yes, this is my custom made closure made by myself. If you have not seen it, tap the link in the description below so you can go to my website and you can see and purchase my custom made closure. This is super beneficial to anyone, whether you have hair loss, alopecia, short hair, thin hair, damaged hair, and even healthy hair. Yes, this, ladies, prevents you from having to use any glue. And that's what we want to do. We want to start promoting hair growth and not hair loss. And with my custom made closure, slipping or sliding throughout the process of your hairstyle. And that's what we want, ladies. We want our closure and our frontal to stay in place without any glue. As you can see, these are the bundles that we're going to be using. I have a 22 inch, a 20 inch, and an 18 inch. And these are the bundles that we are going to be using to create this beautiful style. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at these edges. Look how natural her edges look. My client doesn't want her face to be shown, but look, you can see these edges. Look how natural it looks. You cannot see any tracks. You cannot see any wefts. All you can see is a natural hairline. She can pull this back off of her face. She can wear it into a ponytail. I made sure that the back is sewn in where there's no tracks or no wefts being shown so that she can pull it up when she goes to the gym to work out. And look at this part. Look how natural this part looks. Look how natural her edges looks on both sides. This is some body wave hair, just 20 inches and 18 inches. And this style came out absolutely gorgeous. So again, tap the link in the description below so that you can check out my custom made closures and frontals. They also come pre-braided for crochet styles. Yes, you can use these closures and frontals for crochet styles. They come pre-braided. So again, tap the link and go check out my website. Stay safe, stay blessed. West Coast Finest Tees, Braids, and Weaves.